Celestia is going strong. The momentum around the TIA token is very, very positive, and that's not just because of the mainnet launch. There are very interesting facts here. In the last 24 hours, TIA has been one of the top performers, and this is then how this looks like on a chart. Now, the token started trading just 2 weeks ago. So what I'm interested in is who currently holds a lot of the supply, because in the end, the whales, they can determine the price movements. Now, what we find for Celestia is that a lot of the trading volume is on Binance and Qcoin, but especially Binance. We can already find derivatives on this asset. Here on MEXC, there are perpetual futures. This is important because it tells us that it's not the community that's currently driving the price, it's the big shots. Like so many layer ones, Celestia is solving the blockchain trilemma, the scalability issues, this time with a modular approach. The GitHub, or the platform where programmers submit their code changes, is very, very active. There's a lot of development happening. 7 hours ago over here, 13 hours over here, 17 hours over here. Just yesterday, an update on the Celestia core, an update on the Celestia app, etc. There is real development happening on a freshly launched blockchain. The announcement of the mainnet launch at the end of October on Twitter was also viewed quite a bit, almost 1 million times. There is a known team, even a CEO that gives interviews. This was 1 day ago on CoinDesk. Celestia already pays YouTubers to talk about them. Here's a sponsored video. I, by the way, never take any money from any crypto project. The only way I finance myself is with a premium membership. The link is down below, by the way. The good thing is that this is not just a shell company project. This is a project where real people work on, as we have seen on GitHub. And here on LinkedIn, we can also see 39 people. That's quite a commitment for a blockchain that has just launched. Here is the CEO. I don't necessarily see that much of an impressive resume here. He's even still listing his internship in 2015. Not sure if that's a great idea. The most important aspect though is tokenomics. What are the current holders doing, or who's getting tokens? How many new tokens will hit the market? Because in the end, for the price to rise, the demand has to outgrow the supply. So if the supply expands, the demand has to expand even more for the price to go up. Now, CryptoCito had a pie chart showing the allocation of the TIA tokens to different people. Now, this is interesting, but I think there's a better way to look at this. Have a look at this chart. This is the number of Celestia tokens over time. And exactly 1 year from now, we've got a massive, massive cliff unlock. We are currently at 267 million tokens, and this will jump to 443 million in a matter of a day. That day being 1 year from the mainnet launch. The momentum around Celestia is super bullish right now. It's got a lot of strong backers. It's got the centralized exchanges behind it. People are excited about the mainnet launch. All the eyes are on the token. The question is, how long can this momentum sustain? And can it sustain beyond that 1 year where this massive cliff unlock happens? I don't have a crystal ball either. I can't see the future either. I simply just present the facts. If there is going to be an altcoin rally, then of course the TIA token is going to go up as well. I personally though prefer tokens that are more fairly launched. For example, Kaspa. Feel free to check out Kaspa on this channel. The KAS token. If you haven't yet subscribed, now is the time to do so. A like would be very much appreciated as well. It will help the channel grow. There's also a Telegram channel. Feel free to check that out. Link is down below. And the premium membership, as said, it's thebitcoinstrategy.com.